Nice, she's still running. There, she's a little warmer now. We should get a little faster, better ride on the way back. And here we go. Running a lot better now. Got it warmed up a little bit, as you can see. Running a lot better now that it's warmed up. Yeah, we got a lot of snow. I took the baffle off because I'm four-stroking at higher speeds. When I get up to about 22 miles an hour, I start four-stroking, and that's not good for your engine. So I took the baffle off to see if that was the problem, was the exhaust, but it four-stroked a little bit. My next thing to do would be to get a set of jets and try different jets. Saranac River. Come on, I gotta tighten this up. My clutch lock is loose. From time to time, you gotta tighten up things on your motorized bike because of all the vibrations. There we go. But it's running a lot better now that it's warmed up. I'm sure you can tell. Slippery. If that plow is coming, I'm gonna get out of his way. Let's let that plow go by. Oh, he's not behind us. Okay, I thought he was behind us. I didn't want to hold him up. And this road's crappy. I didn't want to get hit either. Take it easy going down this hill. I'm not trying to crash. Yeah, it's a little rough. I'm sure you can see the camera shaking. Yeah, this isn't good here. Just gonna have to take it easy. Crashing sucks. Speaking from experience. Damn. Whoa, 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 whoa. does run better with the exhaust off, the bottom cap off. I'm gonna have to buy a different exhaust for it and get some jets, and I'll have it all figured out. Running great. Whew, we almost made it back. We made it. We made it back. So yeah, it's running a lot better with the bottom off, the baffle off of the exhaust. So that is part of my four-stroking issue. I'm gonna have to get a new exhaust, and I think that'll clear up the problem right there. Other than that, it runs great. All right, we're back. No sense of keeping the video going. All right, folks, you take care for now. Hope you all enjoyed the ride. All right, bye.